You can either search for platforms like AliExpress to find suppliers and products, or you can use an all-in-one platform like this one, AutoDS. So of course you can go on AliExpress and just click on the ships from US button, and you will see a lot of different products here that you guys can start dropshipping. But of course, there's a couple problems that you might run into with this. You won't have auto fulfillment, and sometimes it is a little bit difficult to sift through this, although it is possible. If you don't already know what AutoDS is, AutoDS doesn't just help you find winning products to sell with fast shipment times, but it also helps you just automate your entire dropshipping journey. It has a huge library of different products to sell in your dropshipping store with fast shipment times, and that is what you should always be looking for as a dropshipper. I actually created an entire 1-hour free course for you guys all about dropshipping. So if you haven't already watched that and you really want to start your dropshipping journey, I've linked that in the description box below for you guys. This free course will walk you through everything you need to actually get started. In the description box down below, you will also find a free AI store builder because people are really out here trying to charge you thousands of dollars to build an online store for you. So I got involved in developing an AI bot that will build your store for you 100% free. So that's linked down in my description box below as well. So I love visuals and examples. So let's do an interactive activity together. I'm gonna pull up products that I have looked through today, and I'm gonna talk about them on whether or not they are good products to sell for you and worth selling or not, just so you can gain the knowledge and the discernment to do the same thing on your own as you are looking for products to sell. So let's look at this product.